everyone, 2025 AMC Javelin SST 401 marks the triumphant return of an American classic that once dominated the muscle car scene in the late 1960s and early 1970s. With a modern twist on its iconic design and performance, this revamped legend is set to make waves in the automotive world. Under the hood, the Javelin SST 401 packs a powerful 6.6-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 550 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. This beast of an engine pays homage to the original 401 cubic inch V8 that made the Javelin SST a force to be reckoned with on the drag strip. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 10-speed automatic, the 2025 Javelin offers a thrilling driving experience for both classic car enthusiasts and modern muscle car fans alike. The exterior design is a perfect blend of retro styling and contemporary aerodynamics. The bold, aggressive front grille and sleek body lines are reminiscent of the original Javelin, while modern LED lighting and lightweight carbon fiber accents add a futuristic touch. The wide stance and low profile not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve handling and stability at high speeds. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Javelin SST 401 offers a luxurious yet driver-focused environment. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching, a digital instrument cluster, and a high-tech infotainment system provide both comfort and cutting-edge technology. The classic woodgrain trim on the dashboard pays tribute to the original model, while advanced driver assistance features ensure safety and convenience on the road. On the performance front, the Javelin SST 401 boasts an upgraded suspension system and Brembo brakes for superior handling and stopping power. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.8 seconds, this muscle car can go head-to-head with modern sports cars. The rear-wheel drive layout and limited slip differential offer excellent traction and control, whether you're tearing up the track or cruising down the highway. Fuel efficiency may not be the primary focus of this powerhouse, but the Javelin's advanced engine management system ensures a reasonable balance between performance and economy. With cylinder deactivation technology and an eco-friendly exhaust system, the 2025 Javelin manages to meet modern emission standards without compromising on power. Car enthusiasts will appreciate the customization options available for the Javelin SST 401. From classic racing stripes and vintage-inspired wheels to performance upgrades and suspension tuning, owners can truly make this car their own. Limited edition models and special paint schemes will also be offered to celebrate the heritage of the Javelin name. The 2025 AMC Javelin SST 401 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It represents the perfect fusion of American muscle heritage and modern innovation. With its jaw-dropping design, heart-pounding performance, and cutting-edge technology, this iconic muscle car is ready to reclaim its place on the streets and the track. For those who crave raw power and timeless style, the Javelin SST 401 is a dream come true. Whether you're a longtime fan of the AMC brand or a newcomer to the muscle car scene, the 2025 Javelin SST 401 is sure to leave a lasting impression. With limited production numbers and high demand, this revival of an American legend is destined to become a collector's item and a future classic. Don't miss your chance to experience the rebirth of the legendary Javelin SST 401.